video presentation, the 2004 Haas TM-1. The spindle running right now. Crank it up a little bit. And let's do a tool change. Next, we'll go ahead and run it through its paces. Z-axis. This has a new ball screw and thrust bearing on the Z-axis, just replaced. Got the floppy. Does have a RS-232 port. We have the leveling feet. Just to confirm, serial number is 34307, manufactured in 2 of 04. Okay. You do have the foot pads. Couple other tool holders in here. This concludes the video presentation of the 2004 Haas TM-1.